Howdy. So in this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about one of the concepts we learned this week in class. And so this week I'm going to be talking about the rule of thirds. So the idea is this. So instead of placing the subject of your photo directly in the middle of the image, you're going to want to divide the image into a grid, a 3x3 grid consisting of 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines, which creates 9 equal squares in the image and 4 intersection points. And so our eyes are naturally drawn to these intersection points. So placing the subject of the image along these lines or intersection points just helps make the photo a lot more engaging. And so explaining it using an example. So picture you have a image of a man standing on the beach. So you could place the man just in the center of the photo, I'm not saying it's going to be necessarily bad, but if you look at it, like on the other hand, you could place him maybe along like the right far vertical line. And so if you place him there, you have more room to show like the horizon, the ocean, the sand, whatever else you want to include in the picture. And so that just helps make the picture a more engaging photo. And so what's important about the rule of thirds is understanding that it's not really a set of rules, but you can look at it as more of a guideline that helps you make intentional choices that just better the image and help the viewer see whatever you're trying to communicate through the photo. And so for an example, you can see that in this picture, you just got the skeleton and the dog in front of the fire, and it's not necessarily a bad photo, but it could be improved if you applied the rule of thirds. But for this other image, it still has the same two subjects, but just a different background. But you can see that they're more off to the side, and the skeleton is almost perfectly aligned with one of the vertical lines. And so that just provides the viewer with a more like easy view to the background, and it can just kind of help them see the story and vision behind the image.